currently 9 a.m. and it's our last day here. Everyone left to get their food, so I'm just sitting here waiting on them. We just finished breakfast and now we're heading back to our room. It's our last day. We're gonna have to say goodbye to this place. Just finished my shower and I'm currently packing all of my stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna get dressed. I'm not doing any makeup for today because I don't feel like it. But yeah, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing something comfy because we're flying back home. It's checkout time. Bye hotel.
Bye-bye hotel.
Bye-bye hotel. We're at a factory outlet looking for somewhere for me. We're at the airport. It's really goodbye Bali. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching.